In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel a Chase Zelle payment. If you've ever sent a payment using Zelle through the Chase app and then realized you need to cancel it, don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through this process smoothly. First things first, let's grab your phone and open the Chase app. Once you have the app open, sign into your account using your credentials. This step is crucial as it ensures you have access to all of your banking features, including your Zelle payments. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to look for the Pay and Transfer option. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen, and tapping it will lead you to the next step in managing your payments. From here, you'll see several options, but the one you want is See Activity. This is where you can view all of your recent transactions, including those made through Zelle. Next, you'll need to select Bill Pay and Zelle. This will bring up a list of your recent payment activities. Take a moment to locate the specific Zelle payment that you want to cancel. It might take a little scrolling if you have a lot of transactions, but don't worry, you're almost there. Once you've found the payment in question, tap on it. This action will allow you to view its details. You'll see all the information related to that payment, giving you a chance to ensure that this is indeed the transaction you wish to cancel. Now, scroll down through these details until you find the option that says Cancel Payment. This is your ticket to stopping that payment from going through. Tap it, and you'll be prompted to review the information one last time. It's always a good idea to double-check that everything looks correct before proceeding. Finally, it's time to confirm the cancellation. This is the last step, so make sure you're certain about cancelling the payment. Once confirmed, your pending Zelle payment will be successfully cancelled within the Chase app. And there you have it. That's all it takes to cancel a Zelle payment through the Chase app. Remember, timing is essential with these transactions, so make sure to act quickly if you need to cancel a payment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.